Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can delete Binance accounts and create a new account. So if you are among those searching for how you can delete Binance account and get a new one, all you need to do is to stay with me in this video to the end, as I will be taking you step by step on how you can permanently delete the Binance account and set or create a new account. But please don't forget to like and share this video. If you are just coming to my channel for the first time, please subscribe, turn on the notification button so as you always be notified whenever I post awesome videos like this and many more other ways to make money online. So to delete your Binance accounts now, the first thing you need to do is to go straight to your web browser. So here in your web browser, you search for Binance.com. And to delete your accounts, you must log into your Binance account, which the account you want to delete. So on Binance.com/login, you will click on it to log into your Binance account. So let's log in. So here is the Binance home page. And to delete your account now, all you need to do now is to click on this icon here. So when you click on it, you see your email over here. And all you need to do is to go straight to security. You can see it over here, then click on it. So when you click on it now, it will take you to this page. So you can see down here, disable account. So remember, you are looking for how to delete your account. Down here you can see disable account. All you need to do now is to click on disable account. Then you will see more other options. So let's go ahead now and click on disable account. All right, so right here you can see disable your account, and you can see below it you see disabling your account will cause the following. One, all trading capacities and login for your account will be disabled. All API keys for your account will be disabled. All API keys for your account will be deleted. All devices for your account will be deleted. All pending withdrawals will be cancelled. All open orders will be cancelled. Your verified information will not be deleted. So right now, if you want to delete your account, what you need to do now is to go ahead and click on disable this account. Then you click on it. You see, are you sure you want to delete this device? If you wish to reactivate your account that was previously disabled, please ensure that the account is secure before reactivating. So you can see since you want to delete it now, all you do is to go ahead and click on confirm and your account will be permanently deleted. So I don't want to delete my Binance account. I make this video for the sake of those searching for how they can delete their Binance account. So guys, if you really got value in this video, feel free to smash the like button. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will always attend to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so as you always be the first to be notified whenever I post awesome videos like this and many more other easy ways to make money online. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.